Hello everyone. Let's see how you can enable the affiliate portal in Afflr for your Shopify store's affiliate program. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, navigate to the settings section located at the top of the dashboard. Once in the settings section, head to the affiliate portal section. Here, you'll see the affiliate portal, which offers a dedicated dashboard for affiliates to track their performance and manage activities. Click on the drop-down icon to find the option to enable the affiliate portal sign up. Toggle the button to activate the portal so affiliates can sign up and monitor their performance. A pop-up will appear where you'll need to select the program and click on the Change button. Once that's done, click on the Enable button. But for that, you can also opt to automatically approve referral partners when they join. This means anyone registering for this program will be automatically approved and receive their unique referral link or code. Click on the Enable button, and that's it. The affiliate portal is now enabled successfully. You also have the option to change the default program to which affiliates will be added when signing up through the portal. Then, confirm your choice by clicking on the Change button again. Under the Affiliate Portal Branding section, you can personalize the portal's look by selecting primary and secondary colors. This is how you enable the affiliate portal in Afflr for your Shopify store's affiliate program. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.